So why did you choose, like, what made you choose Simandar?
So basically, I was like in India itself when I was pursuing CMA. I had taken admission with another institute, and in that price, I got CMA CPA for a lower price. So my experience with that institute with CMA was not that great, and I cleared CMA in around 5 months in first attempt itself by the grace of God, and so then I was just started with CPA, cleared two subjects, then started off with FAR, which is like now it's cut short like to 6 chapters. Back then it was like 10 big chapters of FAR, which was really like we had a joke like FAR is actually far to clear. So it was getting difficult for me to manage it. So I had read a post on LinkedIn posted by someone suggested me the institute, which was the institute that where I was pursuing my CPA and CMA from. So I just messaged her like, I guess this is the institute you are talking about. Is it correct? So she's like, yes. And she had cleared reg after 2 attempts. When she joined Simandar, she could clear it in one go. So she was like, Simandar is a good institute. You can go ahead with it, and they teach you from A to Z. So then I joined Simandar on the same day, and then I was happy to know that nothing is left in option, and they teach each and everything there to support you throughout the whole journey. So that's the reason why I joined Simandar, and then for masters as well when Simandar was involved, so I decided to go ahead